Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Find Your Magic Tarot written by Giulia Manzi and illustrated by Sara. Rotlich. This is published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I am very excited. This retails for $29.95 in the US, and as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Magic is everywhere and shows up anywhere you find a tiny stroke of good luck or an inexplicable miracle like a flower blooming out of season. This modern diverse deck was created to help you recognize the magic all around you and within you. It invites you to explore hidden synchronicities and mystical manifestations that occur in your daily life. Tap into the potential of your inner world and rediscover your own sense of wonder as you interpret tarot wisdom shared by vagabonds and kings, witches, and wayfarers. It includes 78 cards and a 128-page full-color illustrated guidebook. All right, I am excited. It opens from the bottom here. Oh, and it has its own little tuck box. Okay. So before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's anything important we need to know before utilizing it. We have a deck to rediscover the magic, and then it goes into the major and minor arcana and reading and interpreting the cards. Some info there. Every card contains a powerful ancient magic found in a contemporary representation of life. The current context does not devalue the influence of the past, rather, it re-elaborates it in a more current form. It nourishes the pact between us and the energies that surround us, inviting us not to push them away, but welcome them and rediscover them in their multitudes of being. Okay, let me just take a peek at the back here. So just how to utilize a tarot deck. You can discover your own arcana. There's a magic of the day, which is a daily pull, a yes or no, a bridge. So that's 4 cards here. And then we have a Lane of Magic, which is 5 cards. And then we have About the Creators. Awesome. We'll dive deeper after the flip through. There's the tuck box. Very nice. Cool. Got them all out in one go. All right. They are a high gloss. Here's the back. My fingerprint. Oh, they're little brooms. Or like little brooms. That's cute. Okay, let's talk cardstock here. Not bad. Okay, very flexible, but it's snapping back. I think it's going to shuffle just fine. It is a nice medium thickness. Cool. All right, let's get into it. We have the number and title at the bottom. Very cute. Look at that. Cat instead of a dog. The art style is very fun. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh. Eyeballs? No, they're fireflies. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, their hair intertwined. I love that. All right, this is really sweet and fun, whimsical. Oh, interesting. Huh. Even though it's whimsical and fun, there's also that underlying like everyday type of seriousness that comes with it. That comes with like wanting to pull a card about your daily struggles and that sort of a thing. I can see this being very relatable. Oh. Oh my goodness, cute. Yeah, very easy to kind of put yourself into the cards. I want to say shoes, but you know what I mean. Relate to the art, the energy. Oh, I'm very excited to get into the guidebook. Lots of little nuggets here. Wow. Okay, pentacles. The emotion does come through. Aww. Fun. I love that. Cups. Look at the cat bread in the back. Oh, how fun. This is very creative. Oh, that's so fun. Oh. How fun is this deck? It's very cute, but also there is that undertone of like, we can take things seriously too. I really like this. Cute. All right, let's shuffle. Oh yeah, that was my fault. Okay, yeah, shuffle's really nice. Very flexible, but snaps back. Overhand is good too. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Okay, Seven of Swords. Astute and sharp, the Seven of Swords reveals extraordinary abilities in dealing with complex situations. It is an oblique magic, transversal and unpredictable. If it is used for the wrong reasons, it can cause trickery, deceit, and betrayal. The double-edged forecast by this card may be helpful or hurtful depending on the direction of the consultant's energy and their temperament. Thinking outside the box can help overcome any obstacle, but you must also keep in mind that the end does not always justify the means. It is better to concentrate on creative energy than on destructive forces. I like that. Okay, just want to see, yes, same situation with the Major Arcana 2 with their card meanings. I think this is really nicely done. I think, for me personally, I feel the emotion coming through the art. I love how inclusive it is. I see people from, you know, my community, people that I know and love, and that's really cool to be able to relate that to the deck. I love that it can be fun and all the little nuggets in here to kind of decipher every time you use it, but there's also that seriousness of it as well. Like we're talking about a problem or an emotional issue or situation. This doesn't just completely, toxic positivity over it. You know what I mean? Like it's gentle enough, but it's also a helping hand. Hopefully I explained that in the correct way. I think it's beautifully done. I think it might be a little bit of a struggle for a beginner, but you can totally learn on this deck. It is not so far removed from like traditional imagery and meaning to where it would be way too hard. You know what I mean? It'll be fine if you're a beginner and drawn to this art style. And as always, if the guidebook itself is not enough for you, if you need a little bit more, a tarot reference book will be fantastic to have as well. But in my opinion, I think this is beautifully done. I like to see this direction that we're moving toward with, all different walks of life in here. So beautiful to see for a modern deck. I think that this might be one that I start utilizing quite frequently. So thank you so much to US Game System for sending this my way, and thank you all for watching. I would love to know what your thoughts are on this deck. Is this something that is in your wish list? Is this something you're excited about, or is it a pass for you, which is okay. All right, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps me out with the algorithm gods tremendously. So thank you again. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.